Hey, what's up everyone? I'm back with another action figure unboxing video. Today I've got two more packages to go through. I've got one in-package figure and I've got one loose figure. So I think I'm going to start with the loose figure first. Really no idea what this is. Like, I obviously bought it, so I have an idea, but I ordered so many and they're all coming out so far apart that like I don't know. Oh, no way. That's awesome. So this is the Apocalypse figure. The Apocalypse Wave? It's either, yeah, I think it's Apocalypse Wave. Marvel Legends Psylocke. So this figure looks really good. I got the purple hair variant because I did a little bit of research. Apparently she has purple hair in the comics. So the main figure actually has black hair. It's weird that the variant is the one that's comic accurate. But so I went ahead and got that. And she comes with a charged up katana blade with a charged effect, as well as like a charged effect for her face and charged effect for like wrist blade. So that looks really good. And it's in like a translucent clear plastic because she has some kind of like telekinetic powers, I believe. I'm not exactly sure what Psylocke powers are, but I was really happy to get that figure for cheap. I got it loose, so loose ones are obviously cheaper, and yeah, Psylocke's not like an essential X-Men, but I wanted her, and I'm really happy to have her now. So yeah, can't wait for this. Okay, invoice. Oh, there's actual like peanuts in here. This is the first package that had that like little pack of peanuts. I just don't want to make a mess. Oh, the Marvel Legends Professor Xavier. Man, this thing looks awesome. This is a deluxe figure. He comes with Cerebro helmet and his hover chair and a little like hovering effect. So this looks really good. Are there alternate hands in here? No, it looks like only the one set of hands, so that kind of sucks. But there is an alternate head for a Kingpin, which I do not have. So that's really, really awesome. I'm wondering. Yeah, I think that is the same suited body as like Phil Coulson and Tony Stark and Matt Murdock. Seems like it's that same suited body. Although it's got pins in it, so it's not the same as Matt Murdock. It must be the Phil Coulson. But yeah, I'm really happy to have both of these figures now. One of them I got a good deal on. The other I did not. But you gotta have Professor Charles Xavier. Come on, he's literally the leader of the X-Men. So I'm really, really happy to finally have... Oh, look, I didn't even see the artwork on the side. That looks great. It's the same on both sides. Wow. Yeah, super happy to have this. Okay, so I'll do individual reviews of both of these figures coming up on the channel. Stay tuned for that. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button so you make sure you stay up to date on all of my content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.